Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe Highlander, stock reference number 5143. The shape runs from the 6th month 2012 through to the 5th month 2015. It has a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has 2 small dents. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, LED type. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.